Guys, I have an amazing stock for you guys that is going to double in the relative short term, but it's going to be like a 10x in the long term, guys. PLTR. A lot of people are investing in this. A lot of people are buying at these levels, including ARK Invest. Guys, don't you just want to have a stock that you can just not have to worry about, and you can make a lot of money in the short term and the long term and just let it ride out in your portfolio without having to worry? I believe this stock is going to do it for you. So I have some very important piece of news, and we're also going to be doing some technical analysis to see where this thing is headed in the future. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in the stock market this week and in the next couple of weeks with just one stock, this is the video for you. So make sure you guys stay into the end. If you guys want Palantir to absolutely go to the moon, make sure you smash that like button. Let's get Palantir to the moon, because this thing is absolutely about to blast off in the relative short term. But if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Miles with MYLESGINVESTMENTS. This is my second channel. I have another channel where I do primarily cryptocurrencies, but in this channel, I'm only doing stocks, and I call out amazing plays, very profitable plays in my videos. So if you guys want to make a lot of profit in the market in the short term and the long term, make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss a time-sensitive video that I call out. All right, guys, if you want my private trade alerts, or if you want to chat in the Discord, we have over 600 members. Join the Patreon. It's only $5 and you get access to that whole Discord. And guys, check out my alerts through my Patreon. I'm posting profitable trades and stocks and cryptos, options, everything else. So you guys want to check that out, because it will make you a lot of money. All right, guys, we're going to be talking about Palantir. Guys, this thing was so high, but it sold off. We came down, we retraced, but in the relative short term, right now, we are in an uptrend. We are moving up, and there's a lot of catalysts in the stock market that is going to be helping to bring the stock up. We must also discuss what has been going on in the stock market. We must address the environment that we are headed into with the stock market, and it is very green. It is a very bullish place. But a lot of you guys are wondering, why are some of the tech stocks selling off this week? Why were they red yesterday? Because my portfolio ended up being green today. Yesterday it was red. But the reason this happened is because there was a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. A lot of people were thinking the market was going to sell off today. There's going to be a big crash today because the Fed, Jerome Powell, was speaking. And yes, he did speak, but he spoke amazing things, a lot of things that Wall Street wanted to hear. A lot of people were afraid that interest rates were going to go up. And guys, interest rates, bond yields, these things basically determine the path of the stock market. And like we saw a couple of weeks ago, a massive sell-off in tech, this happened because of fear and uncertainty. That is why the stock market basically crashed, especially in tech. But guys, that problem has been fixed. And in the relative short term, we are headed into green territory, especially for Palantir. Another very big catalyst is a lot of people are getting their stimulus checks, and people are going to be investing their money, their hard-earned money, their stimulus checks into the stock market and Palantir. These are Palantir is a very good stock. Palantir is a very good company. It's very well known. It is a hype stock because a lot of people know about it. It's very popular. It was hyped up on Wall Street bets, and that is something that the CEO appreciates in this article we're going to be talking about. But let's go ahead and break down this piece of news that we are hearing today. All right, so the Palantir CEO came out and he said, he criticized Wall Street, saying it puts too much emphasis on near-term gains, and he said it's one of the most destructive and corrosive attributes of another otherwise interesting and largely functioning system. So guys, he's slamming Wall Street because they're so short-minded on the company, and they don't really want this company to succeed. But Palantir is going to continue to succeed. It's an amazing company because, guys, they gain so many government contracts all over the world constantly. They have AI developed into their data mining. Guys, this company is amazing. They do so many different things, but they're basically involved in the data space. Cloud data, cloud computing data. They do so many things, and they have some very revolutionary pieces of equipment in this space, which is going to help propel them to hundreds of dollars per share. So guys, I'm very bullish on this company. So is Cathie Wood. She's very bullish on the company. She believes in the company, and she is buying hundreds of thousands of shares pretty much very frequently because they have big positions in their ARK funds and Palantir. They really believe in it, and they bought Palantir right before the whole expiration of the shares, the share lockup expiration. They bought a whole bunch of shares even though they know it was going to drop. But guys, they are so bullish on the company. They believe, because this company was what, nearly $50 just a couple of weeks ago. This thing is absolutely going to hit those levels in the relative short term. So you guys need to buckle up, because these stimulus checks getting into the market, this is really going to bring the stock market up a lot. All right, guys, if we just take a brief look at the stock, at the chart, the technical chart, we can see what has happened to this company. And look at how far it has gone up, $44, guys, nearly $50. And it has since then retraced. It hasn't retraced for a fundamental error in the company. No, it's retraced because a lot of people with FUD, a lot of people selling, a lot of people taking profits, which is fine, because this thing, we are now at a higher level of support. Look, guys, our supports were down here, down here, down here. But look, we retraced right here, guys. We are reversing right here to the upside, and we are headed up. Guys, we're going to continue to head up, especially with all of this good energy, a lot of this good stuff happening in the market, a lot of this positive understanding, no interest rates, none of that craziness. So guys, I believe that this thing is absolutely going to moon in the short term. I love this stock at this price. $25 is an absolute steal, because this stock in 3 to 5 years will be worth hundreds of dollars, guys. I believe in 5 years this company could be worth $300 to $400, and that is not a long shot. That is not a difficult thing to accomplish with this type of company, with their growth. If you look at their financials, if you look at their growth, if you look at what they're actually doing as a company, you will see that this company is tremendously undervalued based on their future potential. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe, share it with some of your friends, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just all for entertainment purposes. So if you guys want to go ahead and join the Discord, join through the Patreon. It's only $5 a month. You guys can also check out my trade alerts in the stock market and cryptocurrencies and everything else. So I will see you guys tomorrow.